So there has to be a popping sound which should come while I'm doing this. So first I'll take the group 1 and I'll just and the collagen boosting is taking place. This is the zygomatic muscle. Over here near the eyebrows I have to do it in this way. That is because the blood has started flowing on this part of my face. Now I have to take this face. Look at this. I had ordered for 2 things. It has just arrived and I'm so happy. I wanted to unbox this in front of you all. First that I've purchased is the silicone face cups. So look at this. I have got a beautiful little cute little pouch. So there are 4 different cups I have got. 2 are of this size, the bigger size, like this. So instead of going for any operation for facelifting, you can actually work on the facial muscles by using these face cups. It helps in collagen boosting, which is the good fat under your skin, which gets toned with these facial cups. These face cups helps in toning the collagen muscles and gives a plumper look to your face, and it helps your face look more younger. So it gives you a plumper look, but not that bony malnutrition look. So we have these nasolabial lines over here. Helps you to erase those nasolabial lines near your nose. As we get older, or as there is some tension in your life, you get this brow lines over here because of frowning, and there is this frown line called 11 brow line. So there is a mark which comes like shape of 11, so you can tone it down with this. There are several lines which comes under the eye. Many people have puffy eyes, so it forms a kind of an extra line under your eye, so it helps in toning those extra lines and gives you a very good toned look, a very raised kind of a look on your face. You can even tone your neck and remove all the fine lines under your neck by moving the face cups like this, and this even we can use it on our hands and our thighs also, because the muscles over there also need to be toned down. This gives a real youthful look on your face. Your face will get a youthful look as you start using it day by day, and in a few weeks you will realize that your face has actually started getting toned up. So whatever products you apply normally on your face, the moisturizer, the serum and all that, actually doesn't get penetrated in your skin. Moisture in the serum and the moisturizer, or any tea tree oil and vitamin E oil which you apply on your face, actually starts working when you start using this, and it penetrates better into your skin. Start using this. I will take a pump of tea tree oil on my skin. So I will just rub it in between my palms to warm the oil like that, and I will apply it on my face like this. And we have to divide the face in 3 groups, 1, 2 and 3, and the neck portion should also be divided. So we have to apply the oil evenly to all sides of our face like this, and we have to massage it in this upward side movement. The direction of the massage should be in the upward side movement, and we have to take 2 fingers like this and keep it under our eye and take it above like this and drain it all down. Do this 3 times. So that all the lymphatic drainage takes place. So 3 times I did that. Now divide your face into groups while massaging. So first I'll take the group 1 and I'll just keep this over here and glide it like this. See. So I did that 3 times. This is the zygomatic muscle or the cheek muscle. So 3 times over here. So I'll be using this smaller cup for the brows, and I'll be placing it in between my third eye, and I'll take it directly to the hairline. So 3 times I have to do this. Over here near the eyebrows, I have to do it in this way. Can you see that my face has become a little pinkish in color? That is because the blood has started flowing on this part of my face, and the collagen boosting is taking place, as well as the nutrition of all the oil which I have put on my face has started penetrating into my skin. So this is the reason why it has turned a little flushy pinkish in color. Now I have to take this this eye cups, and under my eye I have to do it in this way. So all the thin lines under my eyes so there has to be a popping sound which should come while I'm doing this. So this shows that all the fine lines and the lymphatic drainage happens under the eyes, and it's helping my muscles under my eye get toned. So all the muscles under my eye gets toned when I do this, and this popping sound is the indication for that. And now I'll show you. So people normally get crow's feet in this portion. So we have to do gentle strokes over here for the fine lines of the crow's feet to disappear, and all the oil which you have put on your face should penetrate well over here. Now over here under your brows, you have to keep it over here in this portion of your eye and bring it up till here. So same thing over here 3 times. This helps in all the lymphatic drainage, and all the fat, the droopy eyes, the droopiness of the eyebrows, under your eyebrows, it just disappears. You should be doing this at least 3 to 4 times, and this just 3 strokes. So I'll just continue doing this on the face, on this side of my face. So there are fine lines that target our lip area. So the lip area can also be toned down, and you can have a more plumpier looking lip. So before going for any party or something, you can just do this procedure so that your lips look bit more plumpier and fuller. And as well as you can also the lips start looking a bit thinner as you grow older. So this helps in toning your lips, and it even erases the fine lines around your lips. So this is how you have to do it. This is what you should do. Make a list. Get plumper. So you can see the lips has really become a little bit more plumper, and every time you do it, it will be more and more enhanced. So try this. So the next thing which I have purchased is, I had ordered for an external hard drive, and this is the name of this external hard drive is Seagate. It is of 1 terabyte, and it is that is 1000 GBs. Okay, so this is actually the one which I already had for the last 15 years. Was actually it got corrupted, and I had to order for a new one, because I make so many videos and I have to store it, I have to save it somewhere. So I need a hard external hard drive very desperately. So I decided that I should go for a new one. So the previous one was also of the same company. This is a very good company. My previous drive was really good, you know. It actually, you know, was there with me for the last 15 years. And this one, so I ordered from the same company again. And last time I had the one which I had purchased was for 5,000 bucks, 5,000 rupees, and this one has come for a bit more cheaper to me, and it is for 4,000 rupees, and I'm really happy about it. See, look at this, and this is the cord. So this is how it looks, and I'm really impressed by the way it looks. It's really slick. I can carry it anywhere I want to. I know for the next 15 years. So I know that for the next 15 years I don't have to buy any hard drive, and I can go with this, and this is going to be my companion for a very long time, with all my videos stored in this.
Hey, hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up quickly. Subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Share with your family and friends. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Until next time, keep it simple, Simply City.